Hey everybody, doing PS3 unboxing of NHL Legacy. It is NHL 16, but for the PlayStation 3, it's not much of an update over the PS4 and Xbox versions. Uh, so there's the front and the back. Updated jerseys, rosters, and schedule for 2015-16 season. Also get the hut content, which is on my receipt. I believe it's $20 or $25 worth. There's the disc. The hut. So this just doesn't have updated graphics or anything like that. And games are getting damn expensive nowadays. Holy shit. This thing was about, I think, $90. I already got rid of my other NHL, so I won another NHL game. I'm pretty sure this is going to be the last PS3 hockey game. So I had to grab it. It brings together the most popular modes and award-winning gameplay features from 9 years of hockey. Should be pretty good. Looking forward to playing it. Getting all the updated rosters and stuff. Thanks for watching, everybody.